How to check how many hours you played on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the Discover page. Now what you have to do is open a new tab. Now type in Robro extension and then search for it. Now go ahead and open this extension, Robro Roblox extension. Open it. Click on this option Install on Chrome. Click on this option of Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Once you have installed this extension to your Chrome browser, now you can head towards the Roblox. Click on this icon given at the top left corner, reload this page, and with that the extension has been applied to the Roblox account. Now you can play any of the game, and from now onwards you will be able to find the time period for the game you have played. You will only be able to see the time period if you have added this extension. Once you add this extension, you will be good to go. Now you will be able to see the time period. You just have to open up the game, and in this page you will be able to find the time period. Well, this way you can easily check how many hours you have played on Roblox. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.